Good morning, dear students. Let us continue the lesson quadratic equations. Next topic is completing square method. Yes, before going for the next topic, let us recall what you have studied in the lesson quadratic equations. Yes, first you have studied the definition of quadratic equation. Yes, what is a quadratic equation? Simple. If the degree of an equation is 2, then it is called a quadratic equation. Example, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 equals 0. It is a quadratic equation. X square minus 9 equals 0. It is also a quadratic equation. Yes, you can observe here, maximum of the variable is 2. That's why it is called quadratic equation. Yes, thereafter, you have studied one more definition. Quadratic polynomial equated to 0 is called quadratic equations. Any definitions you can write in examination. Remember both the definitions. If I write a quadratic polynomial and if we equate it into 0, then it is called quadratic polynomial. Yes, both are quadratic equations. Thereafter, I had explained in quadratic equations there are two kinds. What are those two kinds? Yes, one is called pure quadratic equation, another one is called affected quadratic equation. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಫೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಡ್ಫೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್? ಎಸ್, ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋತ್ degree 2 and degree 1 is called affected quadratic equation. Quadratic equation of only degree 2 is called pure quadratic equation. That means you can see here power 2 only there, but here power 2 is also there as well as power 1 is also there. That means it is affected quadratic equation. Thereafter, I had explained how to identify A, B and C. Before that, I had explained standard form of quadratic equation. What is the standard form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, where A, B, C are real numbers and A should not be equal to 0. In this example, A is 2, B is 3, C is 1. This is the method to recognize A, B and C. Is it right? Yes. Thereafter, I had explained how to solve the quadratic equation. That means solution of quadratic equation. What is meant by solution? Finding the value of the variable is called which satisfies the given equation is called solving the quadratic equation. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು 0 ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕರೀತೀವಿ? ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಬಂದಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾವೇನು ಕರೀತೀವಿ? ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. and it is also called root of the quadratic equation. Is it right? Yes. And one more thing I had explained, if you solve a quadratic equation, maximum of you will get how many solutions? Two solutions. ಒಂದು quadratic equation solve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ at most it has two roots ಅಥವಾ two solutions. Yes, thereafter I had explained how to solve this pure quadratic equation and how to solve this affected quadratic equation. Is it right? Yes. To solve pure quadratic equation, you have to go for transformation method. That is easiest method. Simple. Transfer this minus 9 to that side. It becomes x is equal to 0 plus 9. That means 9. Transfer power 2 to that side. That is x is equal to plus or minus 9. That is x is equal to plus or minus 3. Therefore, what are the roots of this quadratic equation? One is plus 3, another one is minus 3. Again, this is important. Again, it comes in completing square method. Then ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ plus or minus root 9 ಆಯ್ತು. X equals 1 root is plus 3, another root is minus 3. Now, see this one over now. Thereafter, I had explained how to solve this affected quadratic equation. Yes, to solve affected quadratic equation, there are how many methods? There are 4 methods. What are those 4 methods? One is factorization method. Second one is completing square method. Third one is using the formula, or that formula is called Sridharacharya's formula. Last method is graphical method. In the last class, I had completed how to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. Is it right? Yes. Now in this class, you are going to study how to solve a problem by completing square method. Okay, let us take an example. Yes, question is like this. The question is solve x square plus 4x plus 2 equals 0. See, suppose method is not mentioned. Now one method is over, we will go for which method? Yes, obviously we go for factorization method. ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ? Factorization method ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ? Okay, let us try to solve this by factorization method. Completing square method ನಾನು ಈಗ ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ವೋ ನೋಡೋಣ. Thereafter, what is completing square method we can see. Okay. First of all, since it is a trinomial, better we'll choose which method? Splitting the middle term. Yes, sum should be plus 4 and product should be plus 2. Is it right? Yes, sum plus 4 ಬರಬೇಕು, product plus 2 ಬರಬೇಕು. You have to choose the multipliers now. You have to choose two numbers such that sum of those two numbers should be plus 4 and product of those two numbers should be plus 2. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಹುಡುಕಬೇಕು. ಆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಗುಣಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 and plus 1. 2 ones are 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ 2 and 1 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, 100% you will not get multipliers. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ √2 into √2 ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ √2 plus √2 is 2 √2. It is not 4. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಲೇಟರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಮಾಡೆಲ್. ಒಂದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಇನ್ 9th ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಶೋನ್ ದಟ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್. ಆ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಒಂದ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಬೈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಎಸ್, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಬೈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. Thereafter, we will go for completing square method. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? You have to go for, yes, you have to go for which method? Completing square method. Yes, before going for completing square method, you have to study some rules. That means ಈ completing square method ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್, ಲೇಟರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಲ್ಲೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗತ್ತೋ ಆಗಲ್ವೋ ಅಥವಾ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 3 ರೂಲ್ಸ್. ಮೂರೇ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ದಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಎಸ್, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಆ ರೂಲು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ as well as coefficient of x square. That means if you take a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, this a should be coefficient of x square means a, that a must be a perfect square. ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೇನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? It must be a perfect square. x square ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋದು perfect square ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Let's observe here in this problem. What is there with x square? 1 is there. 1 is a perfect square. We can use directly completing square method. If it is 4, we can use directly. If it is 9, perfect square. 3 3s are 9. We can use directly. If it is 16, 4 4s are 16. It is a perfect square. We can use this method directly. Yes, remember first one it should be in standard form as well as a should be a perfect square. That means that is the first rule. Second rule, if the problem is in the form ax square plus bx plus or minus c equals 0, then you have to compare with a square plus 2ab plus b square equals 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. a x square plus bx plus or minus c means ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? a square plus 2ab plus b square ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ x square plus 4x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ವಿತ್ a square plus 2ab plus b square. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ x ನ ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಸಿ ಅದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2ab. Similarly, third rule is if the quadratic equation is ax square minus bx plus or minus c equals 0, but compare with a square minus 2ab plus b square. ನಮಗೆ ಇರೋದು ಎರಡು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ, ಒಂದು a square plus 2ab plus b square, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes, x ನ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ but compare with a square plus 2ab plus b square. x ನ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋದು ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ minus ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ compare with a square minus 2ab plus b square. These three rules you must remember. First rule, a should be a perfect square. Second rule, here plus is there means you have to compare with a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here minus is there means you have to compare with a square minus 2ab plus b square. This one, okay, whatever it may be, plus ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ a square plus 2ab plus b square ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ವಿತ್ a square minus 2ab plus b square. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 9th ಓನ್ಲಿ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು 9th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ it is not a difficult task for you. ಅಂತ ಕಷ್ಟ ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Okay, let us go for the problem now. Question is like this: solve x square plus 4x plus 2 equals 0 by completing square method. CS method means completing square method. Okay, first of all you have to see solution. Write the question. What is the question? X square plus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. First of all, it is in standard form. Okay, one rule is satisfied here. Second one, see, it should be a perfect square. Yes, here one is there, it is a perfect square. Notes nallu barsidini keಳಗಡೆ one is a perfect square. That means we can use completing square method directly. ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಸ್ತಿರೋದಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಸ್ ಇದು perfect square ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ it is a perfect square. That means we can use completing square method. They are important. When the standard form ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, x square ಅಂತ ಇದು perfect square ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Is ಆಗಿದೆ. Now see here, with which you have to compare. ಇರದೇ identity. One is a square plus 2ab plus b square, another is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes, here with x plus is there, that's what you have to compare with. Yes, you have to compare with a square plus 2ab plus b square. Since 0 equals 0 is there, you can write equals 0. Yes. Now see, in the place of a square, what is there? X square is there. I will write here a square means x square is there. That means which implies a is equal to x. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ see 2 square ಅನ್ನೋದು 3 square ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. 2 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4, 3 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9. ಪವರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ even basis should be same. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪವರ್ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಬೇಸಿಸ್ should be same. 2 square means 4. ಅದು 3 square ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. That's why a square equals x square means which implies a must be equal to x. Okay, now we got the answer of a. Why I am finding a? Because I know the factorization of this one. ಇದರ factorization ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. What is the factorization of a square plus 2ab plus b square? Yes, factorization of a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. ಓದಿದಿರ 9th identity. a square plus 2ab plus b square ಅಂದ್ರೆ a plus b whole square. a square minus 2ab plus b square ಅಂದ್ರೆ a minus b whole square. Yes, since I know the factorization of this one, its factorization is a plus b whole square, I had to find a and b. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು a ಮತ್ತು b ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I got the answer of a. Now you have to find b. How to find b? Simple. In the place of plus is there. Now in the place of 2ab, 4x is there. By comparing these two, let us find b. Yes, in the place of 2ab, what is there? 4x is there. 2 into a answer we already got. What is the answer of a? X into b equals 4x. Now I need the answer of b. Transfer this 2x to that side. That is b equals 4x divided by 2x. That is b is equal to x get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 by 1 means 2. That's why even I got the answer of b also. What is the answer of b? B answer is 2. Yes, a ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, b ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. Next time ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to write this one. Yes, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. Yes, let us write a square. A square is a means x square plus 2 into a means x into b means 2 plus b square. B square means b means what is there? 2 is there. 2 square. See, ಇಲ್ಲೂರಿಗೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಏನು ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ? a square. See, a square means x square. Question ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ x square ಇದೆ. Plus s plus I have written 2ab. That means I have written 2 into x into 2. See, in the question see x square ಇದೆ, plus ಇರಲಿ plus ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Question ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಅವನು solve x square plus 4x plus 2. ನಾನು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ x square ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, plus ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ plus ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 4x ಅನ್ನ 2 into 2x ಬರೆದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ 2 into 2 means 4x ಆಯಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮುಂದೆ +2 ಇತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೆದೆ +2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರೆದೆ. ಸಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನು ತಪ್ಪಾಯಿತು? +2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನಾನು ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಭಿ ಅಂತ, ಅವನಿಗೆ 24 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 24 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ನಾನು 24 + 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ +1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಸಿಂಪಲ್, 24 ಅವರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ +1 ನಾನು ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಕಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? -1 ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸರಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್? ಅದು 24 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ 24 + 1 ಇತ್ತು, 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 24 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಎಸ್ ಈ +2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರ್ದಿ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? -2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎಸ್ +2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರೋದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನು ಬರದೆ? -2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರದೆ. ಎಸ್ ಈಗ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, 4x ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 2 into 2x. ಎಸ್ +2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರದೆ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ -2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರದೆ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? +2 ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್ +2 = 0. So simple. See x compare with a square plus 2ab plus b square. A means x, b means 2. A square means x square, plus means plus, 2 into a means x into b means 2. +2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, +2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರೆದ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ -2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ +2 ಇದೆ, +2 ಬರೀತೀರಾ = 0. Now see the duty. You know the factorization of this much. Yes, it is in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is in the form a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. A ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, b ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is the factorization of a square plus 2ab plus b square? Yes, it is a plus b whole square. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a means x, b means 2 whole square. Yes, minus 2 square means, what is 2 square? 2 square is 2 2s are 4. Then don't write +4. Here square is only for 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ +4 ಆಗೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀ 2 ಮಾತ್ರ. That's why 2 square is 4. Then +2 is there. Write +2 = 0. Now simplify this one. X plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 2 means subtraction. You'll get 2. 4 is bigger number. Its sign is minus equals what, right? 0. Now your choice. You can use any one of the method. ಇದು ಮುಂದಿಗೆ ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಥವಾ ನೋಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have to find the value of x. ನೀವು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Here we have to use zero product rule. a into b equals 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ a square minus b square ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? x plus 2 whole square minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅನ್ನ, if it is 4 means 2 square ಬರೀಬಹುದು. If it is 9 means you can write 3 square. The 2 ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು? ಅದನ್ನ √2 square, because √2 square means it is again 2 only. Equals ಆ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ? 0. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರದೆ? ನಾವು ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ a square minus b square. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಬಂತಿದ್ದು? a square minus b square ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. What is the factorization of a square minus b square? a plus b. A means x plus 2 plus b means √2 into a means x plus 2 minus b means √2 equals 0. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ. Now it is in the form a into b equals 0. Now we can use zero product rule. Yes, a into b equals 0 means either a must be equal to 0 or b must be equal to 0. That means x plus 2 plus √2 equals 0 or x plus 2 minus √2 equals 0. Yes, I need the answer of x. Transfer this 2 and √2 to that side. Yes, that is x is equal to, yes, plus 2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ -2, 0 -2 ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ √2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ -√2. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೂಲ್? ಇಸ್ -2 -√2. ಎಸ್, ಅನದರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ x ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ x is equal to 0 ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದು +2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ 0 -2 ಆಯ್ತು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0 -2? -2. ಈ -√2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ +√2. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? one root is -2 -√2, another root is -2 +√2. Hope there is no doubt. See, ಇದು 9th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು, ಬಟ್ 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ. ದಿ ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಸ್, ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಎಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಹೀಗೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಅನದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. The another method is so simple. See, suppose x square minus 9 equals 0. How to solve this? Transfer this minus 9 to that side. That is x square equals 9. X square ka power to agade kalisi. X is equal to plus or minus root 9. Correct? That is x is equal to plus or minus 3 barutte. Yes. That method now you can use here. See, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Same problem you take. Same. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನು changes ಇಲ್ಲ. X plus 2 whole square minus 2 equals 0. Yes, ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ದಿಸ್ minus 2 to that side. ಆ minus 2 ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ. ಆಗ x plus 2 whole square equals plus 2. 0 plus 2. That means 2. Yes, I need the answer of x. Therefore, transfer this power to that side first. Power ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ x plus 2 equals plus or minus root 2. Is it right? Yes. Now I need the answer of x. Transfer is 2 to that side. That is x is equal to plus or minus root 2 plus 2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ it becomes minus 2. Now see, ಎರಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ plus root 2 minus 2. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ x is equal to minus root 2 minus 2. See, ಇದು ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ root 2 minus 2. Yes, root 2 minus 2. Actually, they are same. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ. Another answer is minus root 2 minus 2. See, another answer is minus root 2 minus 2. Hope there is no doubt. Yes, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಹಿಂದಿನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. It is so simple. This method is very easy also, but it is lengthy. So, lengthy bitte. It is very easy. Okay, let us go for the next question. I will solve few more problems. Like the completing square method. If they ask us, they will ask for 4 marks. That's why I will solve one more problem. The question is like this: solve x square plus 6x minus 3 equals 0 by completing square method. Yes. First of all, you have to see whether it is in standard form or not. Yes, it is in standard form. Second thing, you have to see whether the quotient of x square is a perfect square or not. X square is a perfect square ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. X square ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಇದೆ, it is a perfect square. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ we can apply, we can use completing square method. ಯಾವ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು, that is very important. Yes, with x 6x, what is that? Plus is that. That's why we have to compare with a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, let us compare with a square plus 2ab plus b square equals 0. Now see, in the place of a square, what is there? In the place of a square, x square is there, which implies a is equal to x. Powers are same, means basis must be same. Now see, in the place of 2ab, what is there? In the place of 2ab, 6x is there. Yes, 2 into a means x into b is equal to 6x. I need the answer of b. Transfer this 2x to that side. That is b is equal to 6x by 2x. That is b is equal to xx get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 3s are. That's what is the answer of b. Answer of b is 3. A ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, b ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. Now write this one in this form. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. Yes, a square means x square plus 2 into a means x into b means 3 plus b square means 3 square. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂರಿಗೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು. Yes, x square ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ x square ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 6x ಬರೀಬೇಕು, 2 3s are 6x plus 3 square ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ರೈಟ್ minus 3 square. Then minus 3 is there, write minus 3 equals 0. Now see, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ವಿತ್ a square plus 2ab minus b square ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ನಮಗೆ ಇರೋದು ಎರಡು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ, ಒಂದು a square plus 2ab plus b square, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು a square minus 2ab plus b square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, let us continue further. ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನಿಮಗೆ a square plus 2ab plus b square ಇದೆ. What is the factorization of a square plus 2ab plus b square? It is a plus b whole square. Is it right? Yes, it is a plus b whole square. Now minus, what is 3 square? 3 square is 3 3s, 9. Minus 3 is there, right? Minus 3 equals 0. Let us simplify further. X plus 3 whole square minus 9 minus 3 means it is minus 12 equals 0. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ now you have got two chances. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಐದರ್ 9th ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ x plus 3 whole square ಇದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ a square minus b square. ಎಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 12 ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ as 6 square. 6 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 36 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 12 ಅನ್ನು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ as root 12 whole square. Actually I have to call the cancel, 12 and 12 equals 0. Now see this is the form a square minus b square. What is the factorization? A means x plus 3 plus b means root 12 a plus b into a minus b equals 0 is there, that equals 0. Now simple, it is in the form a into b equals 0. We have to use zero product rule. What it says, a into b equals 0 means either a must be equal to 0 or b must be equal to 0. That means x plus 3 plus root 12 equals 0 or x plus 3 minus root 12 equals 0. Now I need the answer of x. Transfer is 3 and root 12 to that side. It is x is equal to minus 3 minus root 12 plus 3 ಆಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus 3 plus root 12 ಆಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus root 12. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ plus 3 ಆಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus 3 minus 12 ಆಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ plus root 12. Sorry, minus root 12. If you transfer to right side it becomes plus root 12. Therefore what are the roots of this quadratic equation? One is minus 3 minus root 12, another one is minus 3 plus root 12. ಓಕೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟು ರೀತಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ x plus 3 whole square minus 12 equals 0. Now better transfer is minus 12 to that side, that becomes x plus 3 whole square equals 0 plus 12, that means 12. Now I need the answer of x, but for that it is power is there. Now you have to transfer this power to that side, that is x plus 3 equals plus or minus root 12. Now I need the answer of x, transfer this 3 also to the right side, this x is equal to plus or minus root 12 plus 3 after it becomes minus 3. Now you need the answer of x. X is equal to one answer is plus root 12 minus 3 plus ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ, another answer is minus root 12 minus 3. Yes, you can observe ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, that completes another problem on completing square method. Yes, let us go for some more problems. Next question is like this. Solve, the question is solve x square minus 4x. Question is x square minus 4x plus 12 equals 0. Yes, next problem is solve or find the roots of x square minus 4x plus 2 equals 0 by completing square method. Now we have to see 2 points. First of all, it should be in standard form. Yes, it is in standard form. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇದೆ minus 2 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ plus 2 ಬರೀತೀರಾ. Second thing is quotient of x square you have to see. Yes, quotient of x square is 1. 1 is a perfect square. Yes, we can use a completing square method with which you have to compare. Now quotient of x is minus. That's why you have to compare with a square minus 2ab plus b square equals 0. You have to write here compare with a square minus 2ab plus b square equals 0. Now see, in the place of a square what is there? Yes, in the place of a square x square is there, which implies a is equal to x. Because powers are same, bases must be same. Next, in the place of 2ab, what is there? 2x is there. Yes, 2ab equals 4x. Now 2 into a means you can write x into b as it is equals 4x. Now I need the answer of b because the factorization of a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ b ನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, that's why ನನಗೆ a and b ಬೇಕು. Now transfer this 2x to that side, that is b is equal to 4x divided by 2x. That is b equals x cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s are. What is the answer of b? Answer of b is 2. Yes, now I got answer of a as well as solution of b. Now let us continue. Yes, now you have to write this one in this form. A square means x square minus 2 into a means x into b means 2 plus b square means you have to write 2 square. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ತಪ್ಪಾಯಿತು. X square means x square, minus means minus, 4x means 2 into 2 4x plus 2 square ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ದಿ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ you have to write minus 2 square. Then plus 2 is there in the problem, right? Plus 2 equals 0. Now you can see this much you can factorize. The factorization of a square minus 2ab plus b square. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? a square minus 2ab plus b square ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. The factorization of a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b. B means 2a minus b whole square. Then this one factorization is a minus b whole square. This one you have to simplify. Minus 2 square means minus square is only for 2. That's why 2 square is 2 2s are 4. Then plus 2 is there as it is your right. Now simplify x minus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 2 means subtraction. We'll get 2. Bigger number is 4. Its sign is minus equals 0. Now I need to find the value of x. Yes, your choice. Any method you can use, but better is use second method. Yes, transfer this minus 2 to that side. That becomes x minus 2 whole square equals 2. Is it right? Yes, minus 2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ plus 2 ಆಯಿತು. ನಾನು ನೈನ್ತ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That is also okay because ನಾನು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, now transfer this power to that side. This x minus 2 equals plus or minus root 2. Yes, you need the answer of x. Transfer minus 2 to that side. That is x is equal to plus or minus root 2. Minus 2 if it go for that side, this becomes plus 2. Yes, what are the two answers? One answer is x is equal to plus root 2 plus 2. Another answer is x is equal to minus root 2 plus 2. Yes, these two are the solutions. Hope there is no doubt in it. Yes, again you can observe here, it is a quadratic equation. It has how many roots? In this problem it has 2 roots. Maximum means ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು maximum ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? Get maximum of 2 roots. Okay, let us continue further. Take one more problem. The question is like this: solve x square minus 6x plus 7 equals 0 by x square plus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0. By completing square method is mentioned. Question higide: solve x square plus 6x minus 7 equals 0 by completing square method. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this problem even you can solve by factorization also. ನೋಡೋಣ next. Okay, now first of all you have to see 2 points. It should be in standard form. Obviously it is in standard form. Second one, quotient of x square you have to see. It is 1 here, or if it is 4 also okay, if it is 9 also okay. Yes, it is a perfect square. You can use completing square method now. Say quotient of x is plus 6. That's why you have to compare with a square plus 2ab plus b square equals 0. Right here, compare with a square plus 2ab plus b square equals 0. See, in place of a square, what is there? A square means x square is there, which implies a is equal to x. Yes, a square is x square is there. A equals x ಆಯಿತು. Next, in the place of 2ab, what is there? 6x is there. 2 into a means x into 2 into x into b equals 6x. You have to find b. Transfer this 2x to that side. That is b is equal to 6x divided by 2x. That is b is equal to x get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Yes, you got the answer of b also. The answer of b is 3. Now write this equation in this form. Now a square means x square plus 2 into a means x into b means 3 plus b square means 3 square. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Now we done a small mistake. See, x square means x square plus means plus. Why again and again I am telling this? You have to see once. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 6x means 2 3s are 6x plus 3 square ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಬರ್ದಿ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ minus 3 square. Finally minus 7 is there. Right, minus 7 equals 0. Now we know the factorization of this much. This factorization ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. The factorization of a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. Yes, minus 3 square means 3 3s are 9 minus 7 as it is your right equals 0. Simplify further. X plus 3 whole square minus 9 minus 7 means both are minus. We have to add 16 we get. Bigger number is 9. This one is minus equals 0. Now your choice. We can use any one of the method. X plus 3 whole square minus 4 square equals 0. It is in the form a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b equals 0 ಬಂದು solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Or you can use another method. The another method is transfer minus 16 to that side. That is x plus 3 whole square equals 0 plus 16 means 60. Yes, you need the answer of x. Transfer power to this side. That is x plus 3 equals plus or minus root 60. Is it right? Yes. You need the answer of x. As simplify this, x plus 3 equals plus or minus, because we know the answer of root 16. What is the answer of root 16? Yes, it is 4. Now, you have to find the value of x. Transfer 3 to that side. That is x is equal to plus or minus 4 plus 3 move to the right side means it becomes minus 3. Hagadre, what are the answer? X is equal to 4 minus 3 plus 4 minus 3, or x is equal to minus 4 minus 3. Yes, x is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1, or x is equal to minus 4 minus 3. Both are minus. You have to add 4 plus 3 is 7. Bigger number is 4. This one is minus. Hagadre, what are the roots of this quadratic equation? One is 1, another one is minus 7. Any doubts? Yes. ಮುಂದೆ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ನೆನಪಿಡಿ, ಒಂದು 1 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು minus 7 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. These are called distinct roots. Distinct ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಯುನಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಎರಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್, this problem we can verify because every problem we can verify. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 equals 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is one kind of verification. Now same problem let us solve in factorization method. See, x square plus 6x minus 7 equals 0. Yes, sum should be plus 6 and product should be minus 7. What are the multipliers? I think 7 and 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ answer ಇದೆ. Yes, 7 ones are 7. Sum sign is plus, bigger number sign should be plus. Plus into plus plus ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. That's why this should be minus. Now we solve this. X square plus 7x minus 1x minus 7 equals 0. Yes, you can group these two. X square plus 7x. In minus and minus take minus outside. 1x plus 7 equals 0 remains. Now in these two you can take x outside. X plus 7 remains. Minus, here nothing is common except 1. That's why x plus 7 equals 0 remains. Into x plus 7 is already x plus 7 is there. X plus 7 is there. Here x remains. Here minus 1 remains. Equals 0. It is in the form a into b equals 0. That means x plus 7 equals 0 or x minus 1 equals 0. We need the answer of x. Transfer 7 to right side. This x is equal to minus 7 or x is equal to minus 1 ಆಗಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ x equals plus 1. See again, minus 7 and plus 1 are the roots. That is the beauty of mathematics. If we solve in any method, answer does not changes. Only the steps, but answer never changes. Hope you understood this problem also. Okay, let us go for some complicated questions. Complicated ಅಂತ ಬಹಳ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, simple problems they are, but you have to understand. Okay, dear students, next question is like this. Solve 4x square minus 20x plus 9 equals 0 by completing square method. Okay, you can observe here, it is in standard form, no problem, we can apply completing square method. One more thing is, coefficient of x square, yes, it is a perfect square, 4, 1 irbeku antilla, 4 is there, it is a perfect square, we can use completing square method. Okay, with which one to compare, that is important. With x minus 20 is there, that's why I have to compare with, this one right here, compare with a square minus 2ab plus b square equals 0 is that, right? Equals 0. Now see, in the place of x square, 4x square is there, that I will write here. In the place of x square, a square, 4x square is there. Now I have to find a. But don't write a as 4x. ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫುಲ್ a ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫುಲ್ 4x ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ a equals 4x ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 16x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ? 4x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. That's why you write like this. a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ equals ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 4 can be written as 2 square, x square is x square only. Now a square equals ನೋಡಿ 2 ಗೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ x ಗೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟಲ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟಲ್ ಓದಿದಿರಾ a into b ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ m ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ಗೂ ಪವರ್ m b ಗೂ ಪವರ್ m ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a into b ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ m ಅಂತ a ಪವರ್ m into b ಪವರ್ m ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು a into b ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ m. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ 2x ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. once you see ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ 2x ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2x into 2x 4x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. yes now we can compare ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ which implies a is equal to 2x. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ತು a what is the value of a is 2x. next b you have to find. see in the place of minus is there. now in the place of 2ab 20x is there. okay now compare in the place of 2ab yes it is 20x. now 2 into a means 2x into b is equal to 20x. now 2 into 2x means 4x into b is equal to 20x. you need the answer of b. transfer 4x to right side. this b is equal to 20x divided by 4x. x get cancelled. 4 1s are 4 5s are. that's why the answer of b is 5. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು b ನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. yes we can go for now comparison. now you have to write down this one in this form. now a square means what is there 2x is there. that's why a square means 2x whole square minus 2 into a means 2x into b means what is b 5. yes plus b square means you have to write 5 square. now we did a mistake. see 4x square plus 2x whole square is 4x square only. minus is there 20x. yes 2 into 2 is 4 4 5s are 20x ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆದಿದೆ. but plus 9 ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು plus 5 square ಬರ್ದೆ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ you have to write minus 5 square. then plus 9 is there. write plus 9 equals 0. yes now we know the complete factorization of this one. yes it is in the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. what is the factorization of a square minus 2ab plus b square? yes obviously it is a minus b whole square. a means 2x minus b means 5 whole square. simplify further. minus 5 square means minus 5 square means 5 5s are 25 plus 9 is there. right plus 9 equals right 0. let us simplify further. 2x minus 5 whole square. yes this minus this one is plus. let us subtract 9 from 25. if you subtract 9 from 25 you will get 16. 25 is the bigger number but right minus sign equals with sign is minus that's why right minus equals 0 is the right equals 0. now your choice you can use any one of the method. 9th method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇದನ್ನ 4 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು now it is in the form a square minus b square ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು a plus b into a minus b equals 0 ಬರೆದು 9th method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಹೊಸ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. usually this new method is easy. transfer is minus 16 to right side. that is 2x minus 5 whole square equals minus 16. if it comes for right side it becomes 0 plus 16. what is 0 plus 16? it is 60. yes now you need the answer of x but for that x power is there. transfer this power to right side. it becomes 2x minus 5 equals plus or minus root 16. yes that is 2x minus 5 equals what is plus or minus what is square root of 16? yes it is 4 4s are. that's why square root of 16 is 4. now still not over. we have to find the value of x. that's why transfer this minus 5 to right side. that is 2x is equal to plus or minus 4 minus 5. if it comes for right side it becomes plus 5. yes 2x is equal to now your choice. ನೋಡಿ ಎರಡು ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 2 ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಬರ್ಕಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ like this you can follow. 2x is equal to yes one is 4 plus 4 plus 5. another one is 2x is equal to plus 4 minus 4 plus 5 because one is plus 4 plus 5 another one is minus 4 plus 5. that is 2x is equal to 4 plus 5 means 9 you need the answer of x, transfer 2 to this side, that is x is equal to 9 by 2, or 2x is equal to 1 is minus and there is plus. You have to go for subtraction, you will get 1, bigger number is 5, this side is plus. Now transfer 2 to right side, that is x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, what are the roots? One root is 9 by 2, other root is 1 by 2. Yes, simple, but it is again lengthy. One more thing remember, see, two roots, one is 9 by 2, another one is, if it is 9 by 2, ಇದು 9 by 2, ಇದು 9 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಕರೀತೀವಿ, ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 9 by 2, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 1 by 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಂತೀವಿ, ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅದು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹೋಪ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಟ್ us go for one more complicated question. Yes, next question is like this. Solve 3x square. The next problem is solve 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equals 0. Minus 5x plus 2 equals 0. Very important as well as very interesting also. See, first of all, is that in standard form? Yes, it is in standard form. What is the second thing you have to see? You have to see rules are ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. You have to see the quotient of x square. What is the quotient of x square? It is 3. But 3 is not a perfect square. 3 ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಲ್ಲ perfect square ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ we cannot use this method directly. ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? We cannot use. ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. we can make it as possible. ಹೇಗೆ? ಎಸ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ we can solve. ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಸ್, ಇದು ಯಾವ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಕಂಪೇರ್ ವಿತ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ minus 2ab plus b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ it is 3x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. now a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ equals root 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ equals root 3x whole ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. that is a equals root 3x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, a ಗೆ root 3 ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. that's why we cannot solve directly. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.